Ndewo gị onye ọma na-ege ntị ma na-ekiri ekiri. Ebe ị nọ ugbu a bụ na sim.si ha asịrị FM. Onye gị na ya nọkwa taa bụ 042 Solex, onye akụkọ ụwa. Ngwagere akụkọ nke anyị ji wee bịa taa. Katakata dị egwu adapụtala n'ọgbakọ nke achịkọbara iji wee chọọ udo n'ihe gbasara ihe emume ntụliaka nke ọkwa ọchịchị gọvanọ steeti Imo, bụ ọgbakọ akpọrọ Imo State Special Stakeholders Meeting nke emere n'obodo Owerri nke steeti Imo. Anyị hụrụ nke a site n'ụfọdụ ihe onyonyo nke si na ya bụ ọgbakọ wee pụta, ebe ụfọdụ ndị nnọchiteanya otu ndọrọndọrọ ọchịchị dị iche iche ha na ọtụtụ ụmụafọ Imo ndị nọ na ya bụ ọgbakọ na-egosipụta na obi adịghị ha mma n'ihi ụdị ihe nke ha kọwara dịka wuruwuru nke ndị ọrụ INEC bụ ndị chịkọbara ya bụ ọgbakọ na-achọ ime ndị steeti Imo. Ihe butere ya bụ ọnọdụ katakata bụ mgbe onye ji ọkwa INEC National Commissioner for South East bụ Honorable Ukeagụ Kenneth gwara ndị nta akụkọ niile nọ ebe ahụ na ha ga-agbanyụ igwe onyonyo ha ma si na ya bụ ọgbakọ wee pụọ. Onye na-esote onye ji ọkọlọtọ ndị otu ndọrọndọrọ ọchịchị Labour Party azọ ya bụ ọkwa ọchịchị gọvanọ bụ Maazị Tony Nwulu, ya na onye na-esote onye ji ọkọlọtọ ndị otu ndọrọndọrọ ọchịchị People's Democratic Party PDP n'aha nkenke bụ Maazị Jones Onyereri jụrụ ajụ ma rụnye aka n'anya wee sị na ọ bụghị ihe ndị otu nzuzo ka ha bịara ime na ya bụ ọgbakọ, wegakwa n'iru wee kwuo na ọnọdụ ndị nta akụkọ nọ na ya bụ ọgbakọ bụ ọnọdụ dị ezigbo mkpa nke ga-abụ na ọ bụrụ na ndị nta akụkọ anọghị ya na ihe a na-eme na ya bụ ọgbakọ agaghị amịta ezi mkpụrụ ọbụla. A sịla na Solex sị kama lere onyonyo ya.
Eze ACOB JP, Esudo of Midi Ancient Kingdom, is also here with us. And we have Eze FCO Dafo, Ipe Jamat, Otachira, two of Osemoto, they all graced this occasion. We also received party chairman. They're all there on that table. Thank you very much. Some of the candidates came too, and they are still here. We have of the PDP, Right Honorable Joe. Here it is. The candidate of the Boot Party, Dr. Iwanya Waise, is fully present. Prince Obinna Bright equivalent of the SDP is present. And we have Right Honorable Tony Nwulu. He is representing the Labour Party, the deputy governorship candidate is here too. Thank you very much. Members of the civil society, they are all represented here, sir. Sorry, sir. Dr. Kachi, I'm so sorry, sir. And in fact, he was the second given here. Dr. Kachi Woyi of the ADP. Oh, sorry. Sorry, sir. Sorry, sir. I'm so sorry. I hope my apologies are accepted, sir. So sorry, sir. Dr. Kachi. Sorry, sir. Sorry. Accord Party. Accord Party is also present. You're welcome. Thank you very, very much. Members of the civil society, they're all here. The press, invited. Faith-based organizations, they're all here. People living with disabilities, they're all here. And other members of political parties, they're all here. I want to say that this is indeed a gathering of critical stakeholders in the state. Thank you very much. After taking introductions, may I invite the Honorable Rep to give us her opening remarks. Honorable Rep now.
Thank you.
Good evening, everybody. My peace stand on the already established protocol. Honorable Chairman, representing the National Commissioner, representing the Honorable Chairman. Good evening, sir. Good evening, the chiefs and every other person. Like I said, I will stand on the existing protocol because it's a very town war to save us time. I am delighted to welcome you to this special stakeholders meeting with the Honorable Chairman of the Independent National Electoral Commission, Professor Mahmoud Yakubu, organized to celebrate and enlighten our election stakeholders on the readiness of the Independent National Electoral Commission to conduct a free, fair, credible, transparent, safe, and inclusive governorship election on November 11, 2023 in Imo State. I bring the greetings from the entire staff of INEC Imo State. Your presence here today speaks volumes of your determination to collaborate with INEC as the Commission concludes plans to deliver a successful election. I appreciate your efforts throughout the period leading up to the election, as you have always honored all our invitations and have made far-reaching contributions in promoting the integrity of our electoral process. I commend you all for this. INEC Imo State has held 10 stakeholders meetings in the build-up to this election and has updated you all on the progress made so far. It is pertinent to state at this juncture that the Commission has conducted the pre-electoral activities prior to the November 11 elections within the timeline stipulated by the Electoral Act and the election guidelines in a professional, credible, and transparent manner. Furthermore, the Independent National Electoral Commission in the state has held several stakeholders meetings at the local government level to dialogue with the various stakeholders and collaborate with them towards achieving a successful election. Through these meetings, we have sought to strategically engage the security agencies under the auspices of the Interagency Consultative Committee on Election Security, political parties and their agents, national rulers and the executive cabinets, religious leaders and faith-based groups, youths and women groups, organizations of persons with disabilities, civil society organizations, and non-governmental organizations, media executives and journalists, different voter education providers, and all who have made monumental contributions in organizing and conducting a free, fair, credible, inclusive, and safe elections in the state. The benefit of this partnership in promoting voter education, voters' participation, transparency, inclusivity, peace and security throughout the process cannot be overemphasized, as the Commission appreciates the impact a collaborative effort can have on the success of an electoral process. On this note, I implore all the 18 Imo State governorship candidates, their political parties and supporters prioritize peace in the course of this election, as this will not only enhance peace and security in the state, but also in Nigeria at large. It is important for us to work together with trust, tolerance, respect, and understanding. And these values will be key to a peaceful and democratic conduct of elections come November 11, 2023. I assure you of the Commission's determination to provide an enabling environment and a level playing ground during the elections. While counting on you for your collaborative efforts to support this project, together we can make it. Once again, I welcome you all to this special meeting. Thank you all and God bless you.
Thank you very much, ma'am. At this point, we want to hear from the convener of this meeting. And it is the chairman represented by the Honorable Commissioner, Honorable Ken Bukari.
Next time, you should look at the please. Look at people. The record, the big one, and I'm trying to adjust to the height. When I'm talking about it, next time, look at our height before you make whatever you are. Okay. I'm here to represent the Honorable Chairman of INEC, Professor Mahmoud Yakubu. So I begin by acknowledging the presence of some dignitaries here. I don't want to stand on the existing protocol. I want to create my own protocol. The resident electoral commissioner in Imo State, the supporting reps from 9 states, the AIG, I understand is on the way, leaders of political parties, and the candidates who are here, members of INSET, civil society organizations, traditional religious leaders, administrative secretary and Imo State, senior officials of the commission, members of the press, ladies and gentlemen. May I join the Red Imo State to welcome you all to this state meeting organized by the Independent National Electoral Commission INEC as part of preparation for the conduct of governorship election in Imo State, scheduled to hold on Saturday, 11th November 2023. You will recall that the Commission on 11th November 2022 issued a timetable and schedule of activities for the conduct of governorship elections in Bayelsa, Imo, and Kogi states in line with Section 28, Subsection 1 of the Electoral Act 2022, which mandates the Commission to issue notice for the election not later than 360 days before the expiration of the term of office of the last holder of that office. By the provision of that timetable, election to the office of governor in the 3 states shall hold on Saturday, 11th November 2023. The timetable and schedule of activities has a total of 13 items for implementation for the governorship election in the 3 states. Working with political parties and other stakeholders, the Commission has successfully implemented 11 of the items. The remaining 2 items are last day of campaigns by political parties, which end by midnight of Thursday, 9th November 2023, and the conduct of election. Upon successful completion of the 2023 general election, attention has been shifted to the upcoming governorship election in Bayelsa, Imo, and Kogi states. Accordingly, the Commission, under the leadership of the Honorable Chairman, Professor Mahmoud Yakubu, has wrapped up activities in preparation for the election in the 3 states. Prior to now, the Commission has addressed the challenges and lessons learned in previous elections, and in particular, the 2023 general election, in order to improve our processes and procedure in the upcoming governorship election. Further to that, the Commission has conducted technical workshops for permanent and adult staff. We also organized awareness program to ensure massive voter turnout and held several meetings with relevant stakeholders in order to facilitate peaceful election in the state. You will recall that the Commission published the National Register of Voters on 11th of January 2023, which was used for the conduct of the 2023 general election. The Commission on 12th October 2023 presented that same register to political parties as the official register of voters for the forthcoming Imo State governorship election. The total number of registered voters in Imo State for the coming governorship election is 2,419,922, comprising of 1,199,263 males and 1,220,659 females. A total of 2,318,919 permanent voters cards, representing 95.8% of the registered voters have. A total of 2,318,919 permanent voters cards, representing 95.8% of the registered voters have been collected, and 101,003 are uncollected. We have updated our records to provide detailed breakdown of PVCs collected by polling units. This is important because the total number of PVCs collected will be used to determine the margin of gain principle as provided in the Commission's regulations and guidelines as well as the Electoral Act 2022. 18 political parties will participate in the election. Both will hold the 4,720 out of the 4,758 polling units in the state. Election will not hold in 38 polling units with 0 registered voters. Accordingly, the Commission will deploy men and materials to 4,720 polling units during the election. By a modal voter accreditation system, PVAS will be deployed to the polling units for voter accreditation and upload of results. Adequate steps have been taken by the Commission to ensure that the PVAS machines function optimally during accreditation of voters and upload of polling unit result sheets to the INEC result viewing portal, IREF. A couple of weeks ago, the Commission conducted a mock accreditation exercise in selected local government areas across the 3 senatorial districts in the state in order to test the functionalities of the PVAS machines and IREF portal. We are encouraged by the successful outcome of the mock exercise and the level of preparation by the state office. The Commission has trained enough registration area technical support staff, RATEX, that will be deployed to all the registration areas to provide technical support for the PVAS during the election. Adequate transportation arrangements have also been made for their rapid response in the event of reported challenges on election day. We have recruited, trained, and carefully screened all categories of adult staff to be deployed to the field. All non-sensitive materials for the election have been delivered to the Commission's 27 AGO offices in the state. The sensitive materials were received yesterday and presently in the security boards of the Owerri branch of the Central Bank of Nigeria and will be delivered to local government area offices on Thursday, 9th November 2023. We have concluded arrangements for the transportation of personnel and materials to ensure that all polling units open as scheduled on election day. In addition, registration area centers will be activated at the RA and ward level on Friday, 10th November 2023, as transit camps for election personnel and materials to facilitate any deployment to polling units on election day. The Commission has accredited agents nominated by political parties area collection centers, 27 local government collection centers, and the state collection center where the final declaration of result will be made. A total of 137 domestic and 8 international observer groups have been accredited by the Commission, and they will deploy 3,374 field observers for the Igbo governorship election. 44 national and 2 international media organizations accredited for the election will deploy 242 journalists for the exercise. Identity cards embedded with quick response QR codes have been provided by the Commission to all accredited participants, observer groups, and media organizations. This is to ensure that only accredited persons have access to voting and collection centers. The Commission Zoom situation room will be activated at the national headquarters to monitor the election throughout the state. Citizens can contact the Commission on these various platforms, such as the toll-free INEC Citizens Contact Center, ICCC, telephone line, in addition to its Facebook and Instagram accounts. To underscore the Commission's commitment to an inclusive, credible, and transparent electoral process, assistive voting devices will be deployed in all polling units where persons with disabilities have been registered. The Commission's election regulations and guidelines provide for priority to be accorded at polling units to PWDs without waiting in long queues during voting, as is the case with elderly people, pregnant women, and nursing workers. As the Commission makes final preparation for the election, I want to assure the good people of the state that the Commission, under the leadership of Professor Akụkọ, is resolute in its commitment to conduct a free, fair, credible, peaceful, and inclusive election on Saturday, 11th November 2023. The choice of who becomes the next governor of the state will only be determined by the eligible voters in the state. To this end, the Commission will not take any action to the advantage or disadvantage of any political party or candidate. Our focus is to implement the processes and procedures as provided by law. Finally, I would like to sincerely thank and appreciate all participants for spending time to attend this very important meeting. Once again, I welcome you all to the stakeholders meeting on the 2023 governorship election in Imo State and formally declare the event open. Thank you and God bless you all.
While waiting for the AIG to arrive, the Honorable National Commissioner has authorized that we may go for interactive sessions. So at this time, questions are asked, observations are made, and recommendations, suggestions are also made. Thank you very much. I think the citizen, we take with things and then we respond.
Okay, I believe I'm supposed to do that, right?
Yes, sir. Very much.
Now, we are done with the opening ceremony. I think we will play with the media. I know you are participants, you are part of this meeting, but I think at this point, if you please excuse us with the camera, just sit down and participate. Let's go to the business of the day. The previous speech, you are
the right honorable. The right honorable.
ọkwa ịhụla nke ahụ. Ngwa ka anyị nyekwa anya n'obere ihe onyonyo ọzọ bụ ebe mgbe a gbasagoro ya bụ ọgbakọ mgbe ndị nta akụkọ na-ajụzi ya bụ nwoke bụ onye ji ọkwa INEC National Commissioner for South East ihe mere o ji wee gwa ndị nta akụkọ na ha kwesịrị ịpụ na ya bụ ọgbakọ. Ka anyị nụrụ ihe o kwuru na nkenke ka m bịakwanụ.
If you listen to what I said again, some persons are fond of trying to, once they see the camera, they go overboard. And we wanted to have a peaceful meeting where people will actually air their views, without being influenced. This camera thing has a way of making persons to say some things they're not supposed to say. That's the truth. It's not as if we are hiding anything. In any case, where the interaction, the stakeholder meeting was for them. If we had anything, we would have had this meeting in the first place. We would have called for the meeting in the first place.
Ọkụ ikirichala otu o si wee zaa ya bụ ajụjụ. Onye ụwa gị onye na-egere akụkọ ụwa m, ị marala netu esi eme ya. Deere ebumnuche gị otu isi hụ ya bụ ihe nke ikiriri ugbu a na ngalaba okwu ka anyị mara uche gị n'ihi na uche onye adịghị ya njọ. Daalụkwa gị onye so eburu anyị esonye. Ekelekwa gị onye asị gị jide ka iji. Onye asị ya jide ka o ji, ị mara na nke o ji kacha mma. Nke taa bụkwanụ mbụ ị na-ahụ ihe onyonyo anyị. Asị gị nnọọ. Onye gị na ya ka nọkwa bụ 042 Solex, onye akụkọ ụwa n'iru akwụkwọ efere mba ụwa. Ya mere ọ bụrụ na ka m mere dị gị mma n'obi nwanne, biko ọ bụ na Facebook ọ na Instagram ka na-ahụ onye pịara m folo ọ bụ na YouTube ka ị na-ekiri ya bụ ihe onyonyo, pịara m sọskraịb ya na mgbịrịgba anya n'akụkụ ka ị nwee ike na-enweta ihe onyonyo ndị ọzọ m ga na-ewetara gị n'ọdịnihu. Ọ bụ na Twitter ka ị hụrụ ya bụ ihe onyonyo, pịara m folo. Ọ bụ na TikTok itikere m folo ma atọ ọkụ ma Igbo ndị ọma njem ọnụ, Igbo mụrụ nze m ọzọ, ekelekwa m unu wee na-asị na ọ ga na-adịrị unu niile mma o ise. Ngwanụ tụsawara m ihe onyonyo a na-atụsara m ya bụ ihe onyonyo na apịrị maka na share button ya mara gị mma onye nke m. Udo dịrị unu.